Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine at home without yeast. We'll explore the fascinating process of natural fermentation, relying on the wild yeasts already present on your fruit. This method is surprisingly straightforward, requiring minimal specialized equipment. You'll learn how to prepare your fruit, create the must, and set the stage for a delicious homemade beverage. Get ready to discover the simple joy of crafting your own wine. First, choose about 5 pounds of ripe, unblemished fruit like grapes or berries. You'll also need 2 pounds of sugar and 1 gallon of filtered water. The most critical step is sanitization. Ensure all your equipment, including your fermentation vessel and stirring spoon, is impeccably clean. This prevents unwanted bacteria from spoiling your wine. Prepare your fruit by gently washing it, but avoid scrubbing too hard to preserve those natural yeasts. Now, gently crush your fruit and combine it with the sugar and water in your sanitized fermentation vessel. Stir well until the sugar dissolves completely. Attach an airlock to the container, which allows carbon dioxide to escape without letting air in. Place your vessel in a cool, dark place, ideally around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Over the next 2 to 4 weeks, you'll observe bubbling as the natural yeasts work their magic. Once fermentation stops and the wine clears, carefully siphon it into clean, sanitized bottles, leaving any sediment behind. Cork or cap your bottles securely. For the best flavor development, age your homemade wine for at least 3 months, or even longer if you can resist. Store it in a cool, dark place. Enjoy the fruits of your labor responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.